So here's a question to kick things off. Have you noticed how insanely fast AI is advancing? I mean, it feels like every week there's a new tool that can do something people used to get paid for.
Oh, absolutely. It's crazy. I read about AI systems that can write articles, create artwork, even handle customer service calls. It's like companies might not even need humans anymore, at least for certain tasks.
Right? I was just thinking about that. Automation in factories already replaced a ton of jobs with machines, and now AI is gunning for office workers too. It's like no job is safe.
Exactly. Even programmers, who you'd think would be the last ones to worry, aren't safe. There are AI tools now that can write code, debug software, and even suggest better ways to structure entire projects.
And customer support. AI chatbots are taking over. They're already handling most basic inquiries. Honestly, it feels like only a matter of time before human agents are phased out entirely.
True, but let's not forget, AI still has its limits. Customers get frustrated when a chatbot misinterprets a question, and for creative jobs, like writing books or composing music, AI can assist, but it doesn't really replace that human spark.
I don't know. Have you seen some of the AI generated art and music out there? It's getting ridiculously good. And let's face it, businesses don't prioritize creativity as much as they do saving money.
And that's where the real issue lies. Companies are so focused on cutting costs, they'd replace people with AI even if quality takes a hit. It's all about maximizing profit.
Exactly. But where does that leave the rest of us? Millions of people losing their jobs because an AI can do it faster, cheaper, and without needing a paycheck.
That's what keeps me up at night. Not everyone can just pivot to a new career overnight. And if AI keeps improving, even those new jobs might not be safe for long.
It's like a vicious cycle. Honestly, the only jobs that seem safe right now are the ones that rely heavily on human interaction, like doctors, therapists, or teachers. But even that might not last.
Oh, for sure. I mean, we already have AI tutors, AI doctors analyzing x-rays, and even robots performing surgery. The lines are definitely blurring.
That's insane. So, do you think the answer is to embrace it? Like, instead of competing with AI, maybe we should find ways to work alongside it?
I think that's the only viable path forward. People need to stop resisting AI and start figuring out how to use it as a tool, whether it's AI-assisted creativity, research, or even just improving day-to-day productivity.
Makes sense. Adapt or get left behind, right? Still, it's hard not to feel overwhelmed by how fast everything's evolving.
Yeah, but hasn't that always been the case with technology? People freaked out when computers replaced typewriters, then when the internet disrupted newspapers. Now it's AI replacing jobs. We've adapted before and we'll have to do it again.
I hope so. I just really don't want to find myself competing with a machine for my next paycheck, you know?
Trust me, no one does. But like it or not, the future is speeding toward us. The real question is, are we ready for it?
I guess we'd better be. Because, ready or not, here it comes.
Yep, and figuring out how to make it work for us, not against us, might just be the challenge of our generation. Outro. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know your thoughts. How do you think we can prepare for this AI-driven future? Until next time, take care and keep evolving.